Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making a dish that's very comforting that everybody likes usually, and I'm talking about mac and cheese. We're making it gluten-free, vegan, but we're also adding a special ingredient that is packed with nutrition, vitamin A, antioxidants. It's something that we don't use so often, but it's the time of year, so why not? I'm talking about pumpkin. I'm using organic pumpkin puree. You can make it at home or buy it at the store. So the ingredients are very simple, and of course we're using once again the Herbamare original sea salt. Has organic sea salt and herbs and vegetables inside. Always a must in my kitchen. So let's do this.
Okay, so first of all, over medium heat, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of vegan butter and the same amount of organic unbleached flour. By the way, for all the measurements, you can check under this video for the exact measurements of the ingredients that I'm using. I'm making a roux with the butter and the flour. This will help thicken the sauce later on. And I also added Herbamare sea salt, as you just saw, the pumpkin puree, some fresh garlic, and tomato paste. I'm using a spatula, but you can use a whisk too if that's easier to get rid of the little clumps. And then I'm adding vegan milk. You can use soy milk, oat milk, almond milk. Just make sure it's unsweetened. And then some nutritional yeast for the nutty and cheesy flavor. I'm adding a little bit of maple syrup, whisking that all together. Want to let that simmer just a little bit. I'm adding after that also a cup of vegan cheese. That's optional, but just adds to the creaminess. Whisk that around. And then a little bit of lemon juice. And you just want to make sure you cook your pasta al dente because you're going to add it to that hot sauce. So the pasta will keep on cooking just a little bit. And so that's pretty much it. Super easy, simple, creamy, such goodness. The kids devour this after I made it. I'm adding some parsley and some green shallots and a little bit more of Herbamare and black pepper. And there you go. Super warm, hearty, and healthy meal. Hope you guys enjoy.